Welcome to OTHM Vision Safety Training and Consulting. In this video, we'll be discussing whether OTHM Level 6 is worth it. OTHM Level 6 is a qualification that is designed for professionals who want to enhance their knowledge and skills in their field of work. It is recognized by employers worldwide and is equivalent to a bachelor's degree. The course covers a range of topics such as leadership, management, and strategic planning. It is an intensive course that requires dedication and hard work. So, is it worth it? The answer is yes. The OTHM Level 6 qualification can open doors to new career opportunities and increase your earning potential. Employers value candidates who have a higher education qualification, and the OTHM Level 6 can give you a competitive edge in the job market. Additionally, the knowledge and skills you gain from the course can help you become a better leader and manager, which can benefit your current and future employers. In conclusion, the OTHM Level 6 qualification is definitely worth it. It can enhance your career prospects, increase your earning potential, and improve your leadership and management skills. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to enroll in the OTHM Level 6 course, please contact us at OTHM Vision Safety Training and Consulting.